Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmacworks SHMEE150 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupé Black Series in the SHMEE150 variant, of course, or I guess you can say it is more to a like dark blue livery and all. And yes, this is a car which is also known as a Shmee mobile, as well. If you don't know Shmee, he is a famous car YouTuber basically, and he collects a lot of real life cars, and one of it is the Mercedes SLS AMG in this dark blue color, and this is a collaboration between Tarmacworks and Shmee both together. Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupé Black Series SHMEE150. You have the side illustration of the car right there on the box. Scale model 164 and global 64 up top. Judging from the side right here, we have global 64, Mercedes SLS AMG Coupé Black Series SHMEE150, SH62 MEE which is his license plate for this car, which is actually pretty cool. Moving towards the back of the box, we have Tarmacworks, Tarmac for good, small size big heart, Tarmac, Mercedes licensing right there as well. And if you look at the bottom right here, of course you have the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupé Black Series SHMEE150 made in China, and you have the barcode just if you need it right there, perfectly done at the bottom. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. This is the third Shmee, sorry, not Shmee, but more to SLS by Tarmacworks model that I have opened in the past little while, and this is my third, like I said, what do you call it? Oops. Basically SLS. The previous SLS that I've done a review of, which was the silver one, if you might have remembered it. I am going to compare all three of it together. The first SLS that I made a review of was the CLDC exclusive in red. And yeah, judging by the car right here, we have the dark blue Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Shmee edition. Now look at the beauty of this car. Looks stunning, gorgeous in this awesome looking dark blue color, or like, I don't know, you call it maybe deep dark blue metallic, I assume. And yeah, you have your basic SLS Black Series like modifications, which is your standard, you know, your regular old rear spoiler at the back right there, colored in black. The wheel configurations are quite different though, as they have the liquid matte silver rims together. I believe that should be I think 10 spokes if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they should. So yeah, pretty interesting right here. Just by looking at it, it looks stunning. Do love the details that they have on this car. It's just very complete, if you ask me, compared to, well, basically all of the other cars basically. If you ask me, SLS AMG, they're quite good in terms of the scale, the diecast model made by Tarmacworks. They are very nice, and this car is something that no other brand does, except for one, which is Siku. I don't know if you do know it or not, but it's not as detailed as this, and it only costs a proportion of it. This car would normally cost you around $13 to $15, or here in Malaysia it should cost somewhere between 60 to 80 Malaysian ringgit, somewhere there. And that's your normal retail basically. If you buy it from the Tarmacworks website, you would be buying it for somewhere between $13 to $15, somewhere around that price range, which is not too bad. And if you ask me personally, for the price and all, for this highly detailed quality of a diecast car, I would say full on metal, it is quite a worthwhile deal if you ask me. compared to any other brands. And yeah, I guess that's all for now. Let's take it out of the turntable and let's take a closer look at the car. Starting off from the side right here, so gorgeous looking dark blue paint job running from the back to the front, of course, throughout the whole body. Let's start from the rims first. We do have the liquid silver sort of rims right here in sort of a matte texture, and of course you do have rubber wheels as always. They're not too thick, not too thin. Anyways, they are just perfectly sized, which is nice. I believe the front and rear wheels should be in the same size if I'm not mistaken, or is the front slightly smaller? I'm not sure. I think the front looks a bit smaller, but then again, it is an SLS, so it is quite nice anyways. And just if you are wondering, these cars normally do not have disc brakes in them. Just if you're maybe thinking of buying it and you may think that they have disc brakes, no, they do not. Global 64 does not offer cars with disc brakes in them. So if you do want to get cars with disc brakes, I rather suggest you go to the higher end Tarmacworks cars, such as what do you call that? Anything besides Global 64. Basically, you have Hobby 64. Yeah, Hobby 64 does have the disc brakes, just if you're wondering. Back to the car right here. We do have the gas cap right here. Yeah, the gas cap right here at the back right here, colored in sort of a liquid matte silver again. Tiny little side window right here for you to see the interior. Small little rubber side mirror right here, colored in black, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, yeah, it is fragile, by the way, just if you're wondering. And yeah, please do take care of your side mirrors, just a precaution. And yeah, let's talk about the body of the car. Of course, like I said, dark metallic blue, which is gorgeous. And you do have this like intake on the side right here, which looks awesome, colored in black, which is nice. I think that's plastic, or is it metal? I'm not entirely sure. Of course, in real life, the door opens upwards, where it has like some sort of gullwing doors. If you don't know the Mercedes gullwing, they basically open up like they don't open to the sides, but yeah, pretty cool. Obviously this does not open up, but anyways, we do have some lensed or transparent headlights, as you may call it. Front grille, which is detailed in silver as well, with the Mercedes logo right there. Tiny little Mercedes badge on the hood as well, with the Shmee SH62 MEE license plate colored in white at the front right there. Some hood intakes, grill intakes or something like that, or grill parts right there. At the front, you do have the extra like front bumper here as well, extended front splitter as always, and you do have the hood details as well. Some hood intakes, some hood pins somewhere here and there. You have a blacked out interior, black dashboard, blacked out seats, and overall looks pretty good so far. On the roof, yeah, basically nothing anyways, so we don't need to talk about that. The side, yeah, pretty clean. I do really love it. The color configuration right here looks gorgeous. And then moving down to the back, we do have lensed rear lights or transparent rear lights with a touch of red, of course, for the brakes. Basically brake lights, and they are very cool. You do have this rather tiny little rear spoiler right here, which is plastic and is colored in black. Not carbon fiber or anything, yeah, but just a short little spoiler just at the back right here, perfectly done. And I do really like it. The Mercedes badge right there again, AMG SH62 MEE license plate again, but this time colored in yellow. And you do have the twin exhaust pipes on each side, just if you're wondering. They are colored, in sort of like, they have silver tips at the end of the exhaust, which is cool. Yeah, I guess that is all. So let's move on to the base. Metal base, just if you're wondering, matte black base, metal by the way. Tarmacworks Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe Black Series, made in China. And yeah, let's put it on the turntable first while I get the other two SLS AMGs for a quick comparison. Just need to get the CLDC one out. So here they all are on the turntable. As you can see, we have the silver, the red, and also the dark blue version, which is the SHMEE150 edition. And overall, comparing all three side by side, they look nice. Not gonna lie. Me personally, I wouldn't say the SHMEE edition is the best, I would say. Not really. If you compare it between the two, I would still confirm that the red version is still the best for me for now. And currently I don't have the other two versions, which is one sort of like a mangoey yellow type of color. That's one. The other one would be the Mercedes AMG Black Series in white, where it is the Lamley X Tarmacworks edition, which I do not have with me. I did not buy it, and yeah, I wish to get it in the future. If I do get it at a low price, I mean like a moderate price, then maybe I will get my hands on it. But for now, we will be comparing only these three, and to me personally, the blue does not really like compete with the red that well. As well, it's slightly different. Like I said, it's a SHMEE mobile. Obviously, it has more SHMEE like bits and bobs here and there, where it shows that it's a SHMEE mobile, and yeah, basically more to the license plates, like I said. Whereas these two, yeah, they're basically stock from the factory, if you ask me personally. But at the end of the day, the SLS AMG Black Series in dark blue, made by Tarmacworks and with the collaboration with SHMEE, overall it looks fantastic. Now I know there are a lot of other SHMEE mobiles that Tarmacworks has collaborated with before. One of it is the McLaren Senna, Ford Mustang GT. There was collaboration between Tarmac and Mini GT. There was the Ford GT40. Oh, sorry, not the GT40, the regular GT from 2017, which was collaboration between Mini GT and Tarmacworks as well. And yeah, I think that's all. I don't think so there's anything else, right? Oh yeah, there was the Tarmacworks SHMEE mobile Mercedes G63, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. And yeah, overall this is a great car to add to any of your SHMEE mobile collections if you do collect Diecast SHMEE mobiles here or anywhere else in the world. And overall, I do really recommend the car. And yeah, the car looks sick in dark blue with the license plates at the front and back, and overall with the details of the rims and basically the whole paint job of the car looks stunning. And the effort done for this car basically is just great. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.